Are you struggling to build an email list from scratch? What if I told you there was a way to get 200 free leads daily using a funnel setup that you can copy right now? Stick with me and I'll walk you through a powerful strategy that will get you leads without spending a dime. My name's Dylan from Six Figure Marketing Systems, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to build an email list from scratch using free tools. You'll learn how a simple system that I built can get you 200 free leads every single day. Plus, I'm going to give you some amazing traffic tips near the end of this video. Now with this software, you'll be able to create and copy my exact sales funnels, which I'll be going over near the end of this video, and you can claim up to 2,000 contacts on their free platform. You can also build 3 sales funnels, 15 steps. You can create a blog and tons of other unique online marketing tools, all from this free platform. So what I'm going to be giving you today is this exact same system that you're looking at right now. And this is going to give you 200 free leads per day and the potential of earning over $11,000, which I've been able to do with this exact system. As you see, we can scroll forever, and this system has been paying me since 2019. I've currently made over $11,000 from this one platform, and I'm going to be giving away the marketing system absolutely free. All you need to do is click the link in the description below. You'll be brought over to our landing page on how to get 200 free leads daily and copy our 2-step system to profit huge. All you need to do is enter your email. You'll be redirected over to our setup page. Now on this setup page, there's going to be a complete walkthrough video, which you can have this complete system done and bringing in new leads within the next 10 to 15 minutes. This system is so simple that anybody can do it, whether you have experience online or not. This system includes an opt-in page, a lead magnet, which is going to be the copy paste system, and a training setup where I'm going to walk you through how to copy and how to set up your affiliate links so that you can start generating leads and sales. Now, the best thing about this system is you're going to be able to get on-demand traffic every single day. So as you see right here, I can mail over 100,000 leads on a daily basis. All I need to do is craft an email and send it out every single day. Now, once you've set up your system, you're going to be wanting to send out an email every day to our offer page and our landing page so that you can start building what's called a buyer list. Now, people that come through and they set up this system, they become a buyer. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to get access to this exact same system. You're going to get all of my landing pages, all of my sales pages, and everything that you need to do to start generating leads. Bonus tip, if you're looking for immediate traffic, next day traffic to your sales funnel, which we've set up, all you have to do is click the link in the description below, which will bring you over to my #1 solo ad vendor. Now, what you can do is you can purchase leads and purchase clicks from other people's email lists, which are already proven to have great results. As you see here, I've done hundreds and hundreds of orders on this platform, and it is the #1 place to get instant traffic. The next way that you can get traffic to our sales funnels is by creating a simple YouTube channel. Now, you can film videos with your face or without your face. The only thing that you need to do is focus on solving a problem, like we are in this video, where I'm giving you some tips on how to build an email list. Now, if you guys have any questions or if you need any help with this, please let me know in the comments below. That way I can make a new video solving your problems and helping you guys succeed. If you guys want free tips, make sure to leave this video a like and make sure to subscribe to the Six Figure Marketers Club so that you can get free tips on how to create a online financial freedom. Now remember, just because the leads are on your list, that doesn't mean you don't want to follow up with them. Every day you should be sending out an email just like this, promoting one of the systems that we've set up, and that will allow you to nurture your email list and get more sales over time and grow your audience to know, like, and trust you as a leader in the marketing space. Now remember, the key to success is consistency. Use the free software, copy the funnel, and follow the traffic tips to start seeing those 200 free leads every single day. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online business for free.